Hey, I'm Maya. I'm a professional singer and a fashion designer.
Thank you all for being here tonight. Let's make this moment unforgettable.
Most days, I'm either designing new pieces, working with fabrics, or in the studio recording music late into the night. People always ask how I juggle creativity and still look this good on camera. Honestly, it just comes naturally.
Now pause right there, because this is where it gets interesting. None of what you just saw is real. Maya is not human.
I am 100% AI.
And if you believed it for even a second, that is exactly why this works. This single illusion is the foundation behind some of the most viral AI influencers you are seeing right now, especially dancing AI creators that look real, move naturally, and dominate TikTok and Instagram. Today, I am going to show you the full step-by-step blueprint behind creating hyper-realistic AI influencers like this, turning them into viral dancing content, and monetizing them like real digital businesses. Here is where almost everyone gets it wrong. Most AI influencers fail because they look plastic, inconsistent, and obviously fake. Faces changes, skin looks flat, movement feels robotic. The moment viewers sense it is AI, they scroll away. If you want people to stop, question what they are seeing, and actually watch, you need ultra-realism and perfect consistency. That is the difference between failed AI content and AI influencers that go viral. This is why I am using Apob AI. It lets you create lifelike AI influencers from just one image and bring them to life with real motion, real expression, and real presence. I have left the link in the description so you can test it yourself. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to use it to build a viral dancing AI influencer from scratch and monetize her so that you can start making some cash. When you click the link in the description, it brings you directly to the Apob AI interface. Click on Create for free and sign up using your Google account. The process is fast, simple, and you can start creating immediately. To build a realistic AI influencer, everything starts with a high-quality image. If the image does not look real, nothing that comes after will work. That is why this first step is the most important part of the entire process. Click on Create a Portrait Model to begin building your AI influencer. Apob AI gives you two options. You can either upload a reference character or create one from scratch. Let me first show you how to build from scratch. I choose a female character, set the age to 23, select a weight of 57 kilograms, and choose a curvy body type. For the country of origin, I select Armenian. You can also customize details like eye color, hairstyle, hair color, and face shape. Under additional features, I select a dimple and then click Generate. This generation only costs 10 credits, and the results come back extremely fast. And when you look at the result, it is honestly mind-blowing. The hairstyle, facial structure, dimple, skin texture, and body proportions all look natural and realistic. If you compare this with other characters I have created, you could easily believe this is a real human. This does not look like a generated image. It looks like a professional studio photo shot with a high-end camera. This level of realism is what makes people pause and question whether the influencer is real. In my case, I already have a reference image I want to use. So instead, I select the option to upload my character. Once the image is uploaded, I name her Maya Rowan, add a short description, and click Generate. When the model is ready, you can immediately start creating content and even post directly to TikTok or Instagram with a single click. Next, let's give our AI influencer a voice. Click on Create Voice Model and you will see two options. You can either generate a voice using Apob AI or upload your own. I will generate one inside Apob AI. First, choose the gender. Apob AI also supports multiple languages, which means you can create influencers for international audiences and global brand deals. For the voice age, I select middle-aged and click AI Voice Model Generator. You can manually describe the voice if you want, but Apob AI makes this easier. I simply click Guess from Profile and then click Create. Apob AI generates 3 voice options. I listen through them and select the one that fits best. The voices here are incredibly realistic and sound natural, not robotic. Now that we have a high-quality image and a realistic voice, our AI influencer foundation is complete. From here, the next step is customization and bringing this character to life. This is where Chat to Edit Ultra really changes the game. Instead of regenerating the entire image every time, I simply upload my AI influencer and type exactly what I want to change. For example, I can say she is seated on a sofa, relaxed, holding a perfume bottle in one hand. I then select Ultra S for sharper results and click Generate. The AI blends the changes into the image naturally without breaking proportions or facial structure. There are no awkward hands, no distorted faces, and no visual glitches. The character still looks like the same person, just placed into a new scene. This means you can change outfits, switch locations, or add products with a single click while keeping your influencer perfectly consistent. That is what makes this feature incredibly powerful for branded content, product placements, and e-commerce visuals where realism actually matters. Images are powerful, but video is what truly drives engagement. With image to video, I can take that exact same image and turn it into a realistic video in seconds. For example, I upload this image of my AI influencer holding a perfume and add a simple motion prompt. To enhance quality and keep the details sharp, I select Ultra S for full HD output, set the duration to 5 seconds, and click Generate. The character moves naturally, the facial expressions stay consistent, and the influencer still looks like the same person from the original image.
This is my favorite moment of the day, a simple breath of perfume and a little calm just for me.
Nothing feels robotic or artificial. The result looks like real UGC content rather than AI animation, which is exactly the type of content social platforms and brands are rewarding right now. Now let me introduce you to the Revideo suite. This is honestly one of the most powerful features of Apob AI, and once you understand what it does, you start to see just how far AI video generation has come. Revideo includes powerful tools like ReCharacter, ReStyle, ReShot, ReProduct, ReBackground, and Re-Everything, giving you full control over how your AI influencer appears and moves on video. Let's start with ReCharacter, because this is the exact feature I use to create my dancing AI influencer. ReCharacter brings AI influencers to life using real human motion, which is why the results feel natural and believable instead of animated. Instead of animating from scratch, I simply upload a short video, for example a dance clip from TikTok or Instagram, or even a video I recorded myself. Short videos work best here, especially for dance content. Next, I upload my AI influencer image as the reference. I select Ultra for full HD resolution and click Generate. After a minute or two, the results come in, and this is where it gets impressive. The AI influencer performs the exact same movement with smooth motion, natural body flow, and perfect identity consistency. There is no face swapping, no jitter, and no plastic animation. It looks like a real creator dancing on camera. You can also test different shots and variations. For example, I can upload a wide shot where the full body is visible, then repeat the process using a mid shot to focus more on expression and personality. Each time, the AI keeps the same identity, which is critical if you want your influencer to feel real across multiple videos. On top of that, Revideo gives you advanced control tools. ReStyle allows me to completely change the visual style of a video with a single click. For example, I select claymation from the presets, upload this dancing video, set the resolution to full HD, and click Generate. The result is incredible. Here is a side-by-side comparison. The dance moves stay exactly the same as the original, but the entire visual style is different. This makes it incredibly easy to test different aesthetics, match platform trends, or experiment with creative styles without redoing the video. Next is ReShot. This feature allows me to change the camera angle or composition of a video even after it has already been generated. This means I can reframe shots, adjust perspective, or improve composition without redoing the entire video. Then there is ReProduct, which makes it incredibly easy to place products naturally into video scenes for branded content. This is the video I generated earlier where my AI influencer is holding a perfume. Now, let's say I want her to stay in the same outfit and environment, but this time hold a different product. I simply upload that same video, add the new product image, and it works best if you upload up to 4 images for better accuracy. I then name the product Jiva Organic Ginger Powder, add a short description, save the details, and generate the video in full HD quality. After a few seconds, I get the exact same video with the product seamlessly swapped. The motion stays the same, the influencer looks consistent, and the product placement feels natural. This is perfect when you want to advertise multiple products using a single video without recreating content from scratch. This is why Revideo goes far beyond simple animation. You are not just creating one video. You are building a reusable digital performer that can dance, move, promote products, and create content endlessly. Now here comes the part most people are waiting for: monetization. This is where everything shifts from content creation into an actual business. Let me give you a real example. Aitana Lopez is one of the most well-known AI influencers, and she is earning serious money through sponsored brand deals. When you open her Linktree and check her Fanvue page, you can see how she promotes different accounts and content. This system clearly works, and it proves that AI influencers can generate real income when set up correctly. Now let me introduce you to Fanvue. Fanvue is a subscription platform where both real and AI creators can earn money by sharing exclusive content with their fans. It allows you to turn your AI influencer into a paid digital brand through subscriptions, premium posts, and direct fan engagement. This is where everything you have created so far starts generating real revenue. I have left the Fanvue link in the description so you can try it yourself. When you click the link, continue and sign up using your Google account. After signing up, click Start Earning. Here, you can enter the referral code I have also included in the description. Select your country and proceed, then choose AI Creator. Next, decide whether you will be posting adult content or general content suitable for all audiences. After that, enter your username and Fanvue handle. Next, set your subscription price. It can range from $4 to $100, but I will keep mine at $10. At this stage, you will need to verify your identity. Simply scan the QR code with your phone and upload photos of your national ID, passport, or driving permit. Once the verification is complete, you officially become a Fanvue creator. From here, you can finish setting up your profile and start monetizing your AI influencer. Let me walk you through the key steps. First, we edit the profile. I go back to Apob AI and use the chat to edit feature. I upload my character and add a short prompt like she is putting on headphones in a music recording studio, since my page is focused on music. In just a few seconds, the image is ready. I then return to Fanvue and upload it as my profile picture. Next, I add a banner image. You can also generate this inside Apob AI, but in my case, I already have images of her singing, so I simply upload one of those. After that, I select the gender and write a short bio. Keep it simple and clear, something like "follow me for more music vibes." The next step is adding the intro video, and this is extremely important. I go back to Apob AI and select one of the videos I generated earlier. This one looks great, so I click on lip sync. I generate an audio by pasting a short intro message. Then let Apob AI create the final video.
Hey, I'm Maya. Music is how I express myself, and this is where I share it more closely with my fans. I'm glad you're here.
Once it is ready, I upload it as my profile intro. This way, anyone visiting the page immediately understands who the influencer is. A short talking intro builds trust and makes the profile feel real and established instead of empty. At this point, the profile already looks professional. Now it is time to set up an automated welcome message and start posting content. For the first post, I use one of the dancing videos generated earlier with Revideo. I choose whether the post should be visible to everyone or only to subscribers. This gives you flexibility to use some content for discovery while keeping premium clips exclusive for paying fans. Writing captions, welcome messages, and text posts does not need to slow you down. You can use ChatGPT to generate short, engaging bios and post descriptions that match your influencer's personality. This makes it easy to batch content and stay consistent without overthinking every post. The real advantage here is scale. Your AI influencer never gets tired, never misses a day, and can produce content around the clock. You can generate weeks of dance videos in a single session, schedule them, and focus on driving traffic from platforms like TikTok and Instagram back to your Fanvue page. This is how creators are stacking multiple income streams from a single digital persona. Subscriptions, brand collaborations, affiliate links, and paid promotions can all run through one AI influencer that works for you 24/7. Once everything is set up, the only thing left is consistency. Post regularly, test different content styles and formats, and let the system compound over time. By combining Apob AI and Fanvue, you are not guessing. You are building a repeatable AI influencer business from scratch. If you want to start creating high-level AI influencers, realistic videos, and content that actually looks believable, this is the exact workflow. Right now, Apob AI is running a limited-time offer where you can get 50% off the annual subscription. I have left the link in the description so you can test it yourself and lock in that discount before it's gone. This is not just an AI trick, it is a real content system. One image turns into a dancing influencer, a talking personality, and a monetized digital brand. All the tools are linked below, and I have also shared extra prompts inside my Telegram channel. If you want more advanced AI workflows like this, subscribe and stay ahead of what is coming next.